Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you are well. So I wanted to briefly make a video on two topics that are not trending and also explain why I believe that you are a hero and how you are being a hero each and every day. So the first thing I wanted to briefly talk about was COVID, or specifically long haulers. I know for a fact that that is a true phenomenon, or whatever you want to call it, because my partner has been about 5 weeks and she has the symptoms of a long hauler. Meaning like fatigue, cough, and some other symptoms. However, what I really wanted to talk about is just imagine this. We have no reference point about COVID and the long-term effects. So what I'm saying is, if you had the flu, you can tell your child, or you would know that it's probably going to last 2 weeks. With COVID, we don't know that. We don't have a reference point. So for myself, I tested positive and I'm doing okay. And for her, she still has daily symptoms. Now that ties into the mental health part of it, and it could become very, very heavy on the mind, not knowing when you are going to feel better. So on that note, I want to let people know that you're not alone and help is available. So always talk to your PCP and don't keep anything inside. And that's going to make me jump into the next topic. Is going to be that there is still major food insecurity going on in our country, along with mental health. Many people are suffering from depression, stress, and it's being exacerbated by what's happening. So if you don't know, there are a few numbers and you can help out in many ways. So here's the hunger hotline. It's 1-866-3-HUNGRY. And then the national suicide line, prevention lifeline, is 800-273-8255. Now this is why I think you are a hero. And let me give you a quick definition from the freedictionary.com website. So any person who has heroic qualities or has performed a heroic act and is regarded as a model or ideal. If you are wearing a mask, you are a hero. If you are not spreading misinformation, you are a hero. Take care.